Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the maintenance light on your Mitsubishi Outlander. This process is essential after completing your vehicle's scheduled service. The maintenance light serves as a reminder, and clearing it ensures your vehicle's system accurately reflects its service status. It's a straightforward procedure that you can do yourself, saving a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off, then turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up your dashboard display. Next, find the information display button, often labeled Info or a similar icon, usually near your instrument cluster. This button will be your primary tool for navigating the menu. Getting this set up right is key for a smooth reset.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more useful content. On another note, for all your reading needs, whether it's car manuals or your favorite novels, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, press the information display button repeatedly. You'll see various vehicle data screens cycle through. Keep pressing until you reach the maintenance or service screen. This display will typically show your current service interval or a message indicating that maintenance is due. It's important to be on this specific screen before proceeding to the next step for the reset to work correctly. Once you are on the maintenance screen, press and hold the information display button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. The display will begin to flash, confirming that the reset process has initiated. Continue holding until the maintenance light clears or the service interval resets to its default setting. Release the button, and your maintenance light should now be off, indicating a successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.